Yo, kitties, Joker 12 here. Now, people want to know why I have been gone. Or, this is my debut, so I just want to tell you, Joker 12 is in the building. And, I've heard that C12 might come back soon. And, he's not gonna kill you. He's just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad. With good beats and, good video. Oh, it's gonna be a nightmare, folks. And be prepared that when he comes back, you're gonna see more good music, good beats, good music. Oh, I just said that twice. Oh my goodness. And when he comes back, you're gonna see fear coming from your eyes. And it's gonna be something you've never seen before. Look at me. Look at me. It's gonna be something the world has never seen. For Halloween 2K16, welcome to Jokerville.